Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Guys, they say that a picture speaks 1,000 words. So if this is the case with a picture, you can imagine what an impact a video can make. And this is the reason why 80% of the content that we consume online is video. So if video content is so powerful, why don't you use it to market your products that you're selling on e-commerce stores? So in this video, I'm going to show how you can create Shopify product videos and share it on social media automatically. Yes guys, you hear me correct? This whole process is going to happen automatically. So let us begin. To create this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool, and the flow of our automation will look like this. You just have to collect product details and pictures of your Shopify products, and according to that, a video will be created from Voxo application automatically and will be shared on any social media platform of your choice automatically. Here we have taken the example of Instagram, and for the e-commerce store we are taking Shopify, but in place of these application you can use any other e-commerce store platform or any other social media application as well. Okay, so now let's set up this automation together. Guys, to set up this automation, first of all you have to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and you have to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. Okay, so guys, please do check the link that we have pasted in the description, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect trial account in just 2 minutes. After that, you can sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. Okay, and from here you have to create a workflow of automation. So to do that, you just have to click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to this workflow also. So let me fill the name here. So I have given the name to this workflow as share Shopify product videos on social media automatically. Then you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow get created here like this. Okay. And on this page, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. Okay, guys. So trigger is a signal to this workflow, and it says when this happens, that means trigger is any event that occurs, and as and when that event occurs, it acts as a trigger for this workflow. It triggers this workflow, and according to the trigger, an action will make Pabbly Connect do this or perform any action. Okay, so as in our use case, the trigger would be to enter the details of your Shopify products in any spreadsheet, and according to that, the action would be to create a video first, and then to deliver that video, share that video on any of the social media platforms that you are using. Okay, so first let me show you how you can collect the details of your products from Shopify. So guys, this is my Shopify's e-commerce stores dashboard, and here what I can do, I can click here on this all products tab, and from this page I can click on this export button, and I can export all my products images and every data that I have in a CSV file or in a spreadsheet program. Okay, so this is how you can collect the details of the products that you have from Shopify store. Okay, after that you can make a spreadsheet. Okay, after collecting the details, what we want that as and when you enter the media, the title and all these details of the products here in a spreadsheet, a video will be created for that product and will be shared in your social media platform automatically. Okay, so that will be a trigger. Whenever you want to create a video, just pick out the details of the products from any other different Excel file that you have fetched from Shopify, and fill the details in a row here of that product or multiple products, okay, in a single row. After that, the video will be created automatically. Let me show you how it is going to happen. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Shopify. Let me go switch back to Pabbly Connect and set up our trigger. So our trigger would be adding of the details of any product in the spreadsheet program or Google Sheet. Okay, so click here on this trigger window and set Google Sheets as trigger application. So select Google Sheets from here, and Pabbly Connect will provide you a trigger event, which is this new or updated spreadsheet row. So it will triggers when a new spreadsheet row is added or updated. Okay, so click here then it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys. So with the help of this, we are going to connect our spreadsheet and fetch the details of the products and the pictures here in Pabbly Connect. After that, we'll set up the automation further with the help of that data only. Okay. So to connect your spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect, you just have to click on copy here. Okay. And copy the webhook URL. Then you have to reach the spreadsheet. So guys, this is our spreadsheet, and here what you have to do, first of all, click on this extensions button, go to add-ons and click on get add-ons. Okay. And when you click on get add-ons, a new window will open up, which is Google Workspace Marketplace. And from here you have to search for Pabbly, Pabbly, Pabbly Connect Webhooks option. And you have to install this Pabbly Connect Webhooks here in your spreadsheet. Okay, so you can see I have already installed it. It just take I think 1 to 2 minutes to install it. After installing this, you have to refresh your spreadsheet. This is an important step. After installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks, do remember to refresh your spreadsheet. Okay. So after refreshing, when you go to extensions again and click here, you will find this Pabbly Connect Webhooks tab in the drop down. Okay. And here you have to click on this initial setup like this. Okay. And here you will find these two fields, the webhook URL field and the trigger column field. So in this webhook URL field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect like this. Okay. After that, you have to put the trigger column, which is the last or the final data entry column you have in your spreadsheet. So let me show you. Let me cross it. This is our final data entry column, the I column. Okay. And here you can see I have filled the details of the products like this. Actually, I want to create a video of a product with the help of a few pictures with the few titles and the text. So I have filled the details as media 1. So here I have for the first picture, the title of the first picture, the text of the first picture. And here in the media 2, I have the photo of the second picture, the title of the second picture, and the text of the second picture. So you can put these medias, you can maximum up to 5 medias and text you can put here to create a video. Okay, I'll tell you how you're going to do that. Okay, so this is how it is going to happen. And where I'm in my extensions, in my Pabbly Connect Webhooks initial setup option. Here we are going to paste the webhook URL that we have copied and fill the trigger column as I. Then when you click here on, okay, let me show you one thing more, that as and when I copied the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect, you can see it's when I clicked here on copy, it will start showing waiting for the webhooks response here, you can see. Okay, so this means now you have to do a test submission, and we have to record the details of the test submission here in Pabbly Connect, and with the help of that data, we are going to set up this automation further. Okay, now let's jump back to my spreadsheet. So I am in my spreadsheet again, and here I'm going to click on extensions in Pabbly Connect Webhooks. I'm going to initial setup, and here I'm going to paste the webhook URL like this. Okay, and in the trigger column I have I already. And when you click here on send test, the data of the first row that you have in your spreadsheet will be transferred to Pabbly Connect as the test data. Okay, let me show you. I'm clicking here on send test, and you can see the test data has sent successfully. Okay, now click on submit. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data. And you can see here in this response received section, we got the details of the first row of our spreadsheet like this. Okay, and it is showing you all these things, the text, the titles, the media URLs like this. Okay, right. Now you have to do one thing more in your spreadsheet. Let me show you. So here in your spreadsheet, you have to click on extensions again. And in Pabbly Connect Webhooks, you have to click on this send on event button. Okay. So when you click on send on event, what will happen as and when the next time you add a new row here, the data of that row will be transferred to Pabbly Connect and the automation will run. Okay, so do check this also. So now we want to create a video out of this data, and for that we are using Voxo application. So Voxo is a video creating platform, and here you can create videos with the help of templates and widgets. Okay, so first of all we have to connect Voxo application as our action step. Connect. Okay, so click on this action window, and from this choose app field you have to search for Voxo. So this is Voxo we have. Click on it. Okay, and it will provide you these three action events. First is the generate native video. Okay, so it will generate one video out of the data you have. If you want to create many videos from in bulk from the data you have, you can select this, and by this get video option you can get the native video by code. Okay, so we have to use this generate native video option. Okay, so we want to create one video out of this, so I'm selecting this and then click on this connect button, and from this window select add new connection option, and it will ask for this team ID and the API key. So you have to go to your dashboard of Voxo, and here on there you have to reach your account section, and there you will find this API key and the team ID. Let me show you. So this is my Voxo's dashboard. Okay, and here I'm going to click on this profile icon, and here you can see my account section. Click on my accounts. Okay, and here on this page when you scroll down you will find both of those things. Let me show you. Okay, so you can see we have this current team ID written here. So click on this copy icon like this and go back to Pabbly Connect and fill the team ID here like this. Okay, then go back to dashboard and copy this API key also, that is here. Click on copy and paste the copy here in this API key field like this. Then click on this save button, and you will see that we are connected with Voxo now. Okay, and here it is asking for this title 1, text 1, media 1. So to create a video, it needs Voxo need these things: the title, the media, the photo, and the text if you want to enter. Okay, and it will show you up to 5 titles and medias. You can see title 5, text 5, media 5, but we are using 3 photos and titles to create a video. That is okay, you can fill the 3 video the data of the 3 photos and the medias here. Okay, so guys, to enter these things we are using the data that we have captured here in the first step from our spreadsheet. Okay, so I'm going to map the data here. So to map the data, what you have to do, you just have to click here on this title field, and it will show you this Google Sheets option in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you the title and all the details that you have captured from your spreadsheet in the first tab. Okay, so in the title 1 I'm going to map the title 1 like this. In the text 1, let me map the text 1. This is it. And the media, you will find the media from the same place like this. Okay, similarly for the title 2, this is title 2, this is text 2. Okay, and for the media 2, you will find the media link or the photo link also. This is it. Okay, and we do have title 3 also. This is title 3, this is text 3. Okay, and this is media 3. Okay, now we are done mapping the details here, and now let me check the connection with Voxo if it is working properly or not. And it also provides you this video shape option. Here you can put the video shape, the ratio of the video, like 9:16, 16:9, 4:5, 1:1. So you can put this also. I am putting here 1:1 for now. Okay, and you can put the brand logo if you have any. You can put the font URL, font size, background colors. You can check the color codes, HTML color codes, and fill it here. Okay, and you can customize whole of your video. You can even insert the music in the video also by putting the music URL here. For now I am leaving these things blank. I am just going to show you the demo. Okay, so let's check our connection. I am clicking on save and send test request here, and let's see what happens. Okay, so it might take a few moments. Okay, you can see it has given us this response, and here you can see in this status native success native status label, it is showing pending. That means the video is not created right now. It will take a while. It can take, I think, 6 to 7 to 10 minutes for maximum to create a video out of the data that you have given. Okay, so what we want that as and when the video got completed and saved here in my Voxo dashboard, you can see my videos here, then only we want to share that video on social media. But guys, it would take a few moments to create a video here. It will not be happening spontaneously. So guys, for that we are going to delay this workflow for a while. Okay, so to put a delay here, what you have to do, you just have to click here on this plus icon, and you have to search for a feature in Pabbly which is called delay module. So we have this delay module. Okay, and here I'm going to put a delay of, let's say, 10 minutes. Okay, so after giving Voxo this signal that you have to create a video, we are going to wait for 10 minutes till the video will be created, and as and when the video got completed, we are going to share it to our social media. Okay, so let's delay this workflow for, so I'm selecting here delay for. Okay, and here I'm going to put the delay unit in minutes. Okay, and here I'm going to put the value of the minutes as a 10. Okay, and this workflow is halted here for 10 minutes, and I'm clicking on save and send test request now. Okay, and it is showing the status success, delayed for 10 minutes. Okay, so let's say we have already waited for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes what we want to fetch the video out of Voxo and share it to social media. Okay, so for that you have to click here on this plus icon, and we are going to connect Voxo again. Where is Voxo? Here it is. Click on Voxo, and in this action event, now we are going to use this action event, get a video. So click on get video option, then click on connect, and from this window now I can select this existing connection option because we have connected Voxo in the previous step. Okay, so just click on select existing connection and click on save. You need not to enter those API keys and team IDs again, and we are connected with Voxo. Now it is asking for the video code. So guys, you can read here, you can get the video code from generate native video action step. Okay, so we have used generate native video action event in the first step. Okay, in the trigger. So you can see in the trigger, oh sorry, not in the trigger, in the second step, sorry. And here in the second step, where we have created the video from Voxo, it has given us this success code. Okay, so this is the success code we want here in this step after the delay, in this get video action step. So click here and you will find all the previous steps in the drop down, and from the second step, Voxo generate native video option, you will get the success code. Click on it to map it. Okay, and now click on save and send test request. So it will give you the URL, the link of the video if it got created in Voxo. And you can see we got this data here, and we have this download link which is the .mp4 link. Let me show you the video from this link only. Okay, so you can see it is a download link and the video got downloaded here, and let me open this for you. Okay, and you can see the video got created here like this. It is showing us the bag, push yourself, break all the boundaries. Okay, impossible is nothing, shop now. Okay, so this is how it is going to happen. The video got generated here. This is the video of the that we have here in my Shopify store, and that's the text that you have seen in the video is the text that we have in our spreadsheet, and I mapped the text here. You can see. Okay, let me scroll down. Here you can see this was impossible is nothing that you have seen in the video. Okay, so our connection with Voxo is working properly, and we have created a video out of it, and now we want to share this video to our social media platform, and here we have taken the example of Instagram. So now click here on this plus icon, and from another actions tab, we are going to connect our social media application here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so we are using Instagram. So search for Instagram here. This one, Instagram for business. Okay. Then click on the action event and it will provide you these two action events, publish a photo or publish a video. So I'm selecting publish video option. Then click on connect here and you can see we have this add new connection button. So click on add new connection, then click on connect with Instagram for business and it will bring you to the login window if you're not logged in. As I have already logged in my Instagram, it just got connected here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. And here it is asking the account you are using. So select the account. This is my account. And now it is asking for the video URL to post in Instagram. So we have generated this video URL here in this previous step, this one. Oh, okay. So I'm going to map this URL here in this video URL. Okay, click on it and it will show you all the previous steps that you have conducted. And from this fourth one, I'm going to map this video download link. Okay, right now if you want to give a caption, you can give a caption to this video also. A new product in our Shopify store, you can write like this or you can type any kind of caption. Okay, right now let's check our connection with Instagram. I'm clicking on save and send test request and see what happens if a new post got created in our Instagram or not. Okay, so it might take a few moments here. So you can see here it started showing this kind of response. Okay, now let's check in my Instagram if we got a new post. Okay, so I'm refreshing my Instagram's profile and you can see the same video got posted here and you can see the caption is also same, a new product in my Shopify store. Okay, and the video is this. Okay, so our connection with Instagram is working properly and we are done setting up this automation also. Okay, so guys, you have to set up this automation only once. You have to make the connections and triggers and actions in only once, and you have to map the data only once. Okay, once you map these data and make these connections, after that you don't have to do anything manually. After that, as and when you are going to enter the details of the products you have in your Shopify store in the spreadsheet, this automation will run automatically and the video will be created and posted on your social media automatically. Okay, so let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So let me show you. First of all, in the trigger, I connected the Google Sheet application in which we are entering the data of our products. After that, I connected it with the help of Webhook URL and collected the test data of our products like this. Okay, then we connected Voxo application to generate a video out of this data. Okay, and by mapping the details here. Okay, after that, I put a delay of 10 minutes here so that the video get created in Voxo application. And after that, as the video got created, we want to get the video here, the link of the video here. For that, I connected Voxo again. With the help of this success code, we got the link of the video. And after that, I mapped this video link here in this another actions tab where we have connected our social media platform like this. Okay, now you just have to click on save, guys. And the good part is you can use this same workflow because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start running this automation instantly. Guys, this is it for today's video. If you got any query regarding our business automation, you can ask and discuss your queries from this forum. And guys, if you want to check the pricing of this application, you can use this link. And if our automations are helping you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.